Hey flowers, it's Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up, how you doing, This is going to be an Amazon hair review on this wig right here. This wig was sent to me, so I'm going to talk about how I feel about it. I'm also going to show you guys how I lay it down and style it a little bit. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure you continue to watch. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell for notifications. This is a baddie of all trades type of vibe, so you're going to see fashion, hair, nails, and makeup. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe, kiss that like button, comment down below, and share this video with a friend or two or three or four. Let's hop right into it, you guys.
On the track. Playing on the track.
so I just finished styling this unit. So now I'm gonna go into my review on how I feel about it. Don't get me wrong, the hair is cute. I just really don't like this 13 by 1 moment. Like, there's not really much to do, so I was afraid to really OD pluck. Like right here, I feel like I couldn't pluck anything. It was like one little line of hair. I absolutely positively do not like that. At least give us a 13 by 2 so we have a little bit more room to pluck and make the hairline a little realistic. Right here in the unit, this is all the lace that I have, and then this part is just like a slitter, so you literally can't pluck that side, and that's honestly really annoying. Like, I don't like that at all. I really don't like that. I mean, the curl came out nice. It wasn't hard to shape. I just wanted a certain shape, and I wanted to make sure I got that shape, so I had to like go back again and do the mousse again. So you did go ahead and see me do it twice. So that's why I did it before makeup, and then it dried a little bit, and then I waited and did it again because I just didn't like the way it was falling. I did a little bit of baby hairs. I'm not really into baby hairs as much, but because the unit is so when it comes to the hairline, I had to like really try to finesse it so it looked like something. And I also, when I did my makeup, I went over the lace. As you can see, the lace was really, really white, so I went over the lace with just my foundation when I was doing it, and that way there's nothing like, you know, because can't bleach these. Like, what am I bleaching? Like, what's the point? But otherwise, I mean, the unit is really cute. I do actually like it. It's not something I'll wear. I'm trying to decide if I'm giving you Michael Jackson or not, or I'm giving you very much Jerry curl vibes, and I think that's why I keep touching it and trying to like shape it, because I feel like I'm really giving you Jerry curl, and that's something I gotta get used to. Maybe it's the cut, maybe it's the way that it is. Jerry curl, okay? That's what I'm getting. That's the vibe I'm getting. But all in all, I mean, this unit was $45. Like, why not pick it up just for a cute little throw-on moment, a cute little night out. You want to do the short hair curly moment. Not a bad unit to have. I just would say beware of this lace because there's not a lot of area to work with. So that's pretty much all of my thoughts on this unit, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to see more Amazon wig reviews, make sure you comment down below and let me know. Also, give this video a big kiss on that like button so that I also know that this is something that you would want to see more of. I'm really ready to do these like quick throw on human hair wigs. I feel like those girls, the girls that don't do synthetics like me or don't like synthetic as much, like, we need our cheap little wigs too, our little throw on wigs too. So this is like the equivalent to that, I guess. So yeah, you guys, thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe as I already stated. See you guys in my next video. Bye.